You're doing everything right. The watering, the light, the perfect spot by the window. And your Christmas cactus just sits there. Maybe you've had it a year, maybe longer, and it looks exactly like the day you brought it home. If that sounds familiar, the problem probably isn't what you think it is, and the fix might already be sitting in your kitchen. Lemon juice. I'm serious. Let me show you how this works. Before we get into the lemon juice, let's cover what a Christmas cactus actually needs. 4 to 6 hours of bright, indirect sunlight a day, not harsh direct sun. Temperatures somewhere between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. A little humidity and careful, consistent watering. Not too much, not too little. Get all of that right, and a healthy Christmas cactus should push out a few inches of new growth every year. So, if yours isn't doing that and your care is solid, there's one culprit that shows up more than any other. Soil pH, and that's exactly where lemon juice comes in. Step 1. Check your soil pH. Christmas cacti like slightly acidic soil. They'll tolerate neutral and still do fine. But if your potting mix has drifted alkaline, that alone can shut down growth completely. 9 times out of 10, when someone's doing everything else right and seeing nothing, this is why. The good news? You don't need any special equipment to check. There are simple at-home pH tests using things you've probably already got around the house. They won't give you an exact number. What they will tell you is whether your soil is acidic, neutral, or alkaline, and that's all you need to know. Step 2. Make the solution. So your soil came back neutral or alkaline. Here's the fix. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Plain, no added sugar, no preservatives. Mix it into 1 liter of water. That's it. That's the whole solution. If your soil tested alkaline, water with this once every 2 weeks. If it came back neutral, once a month is plenty. So here's the part people miss. As soon as your pH shifts into the right range, stop. Run another home test to check when you get there. One warning before you start. If your soil is already acidic, skip this entirely. Adding more acid to acidic soil will damage your plant. Step 3. Let it work. There's one more thing most people never think about, your water. Christmas cacti are sensitive to hard water, and hard water is high in calcium. Calcium is alkaline, so if you've been watering from a hard tap, you could be pushing your soil alkaline month after month without ever realizing it. The fix is the same solution. Give your cactus 1 deep watering with each month, from spring through early fall. Don't overdo it though. You're aiming for slightly acidic, not sour. And there's a bonus here. Lemon juice is antimicrobial. It helps keep soil-borne fungi and bacterial under control. And it improves nutrient uptake at the same time. So it's doing 3 jobs at once. Not bad for something sitting in your fridge. Give it a try and see what happens. Sometimes the simplest fix is the one that actually works. Drop a comment below and let us know how your Christmas cactus responds. We'd love to hear. And if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you there.